I'm Ana Bautista Yorde, and I'm the owner of Sweetest Creation, and I do custom cookies and treats. I moved to this country in 2008 from Venezuela. I just started doing cookies when I had my first child. It was 2011. I started to baking for her birthday parties and for her school. And then my friends and family started to see my work and asking me to do some baking from them. Being able to put my art into cookies, it's been a great opportunity. Cookie decorating, it's a work of time and dedication. People have no idea how long does it take to produce a single cookie, but it takes a lot of time and effort, and it's a very, very slow process. Working with Visit Orlando has been a great opportunity, and the support that Visit Orlando has given me and to showcase my business and to help me grow, it's been a fantastic opportunity for me. Orlando is a great destination. There's a lot of opportunities to showcase your business and to do business with many organizations. It's a great spot to start a business. You know, every cookie I do, when I have a project, many times I say, oh, this is the most beautiful cookie I have done. But I think I have to say that with every work I do, because I put all my love and my effort and my art into that as it is a unique piece. So for me, every cookie is a work of art. And I try to do a masterpiece out of it.